Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Finally home after the whole little event and everything, and we're about to start cleaning up this 300ZX and, you know, washing this thing up, seeing what the damage looks like. But yeah, man, this thing took a beating over the weekends, and man, definitely was a challenge. Definitely was a challenge, man. I think I've driven this car 3 times now, different setups. Obviously every setup so every time we made changes it got better and better, but still not fully where I wanted at. The last thing I really think this thing needs is a angle kit, man. Really think this thing needs an angle kit. I think that's the last thing this thing needs. But like I said, I'm retiring this thing as a drift car. My biggest problem is I tend to jump into many cars and try to just like drift everything. I did the gender reveal in the 350Z, then I was drifting the turbo notchback, then I went and drove the truck, and then here I am jumping back in here. So it's like, if I want to get, you know, my driving back to A1 and focus on C times, kind of like I need to just focus on driving one car versus jumping in multiples. All the power bands are different, man. It took me literally a whole day to figure out how to re-drive a SR20 since I've been coming and driving with so many of my V8 cars, and it's definitely way different. But yeah, man, so definitely a little learning curve, but overall, man, you can see dirt, oil, all kind of stuff. And one of the issues that, check this out, nigga, I've never seen a center section do that. Look, all the bolts and everything are all tight too, nothing's loose. But look at the center section. Some of the battle I was battling, thing probably wasn't spooling up, because I kept saying, I'm like, man, this thing feels a lot laggier than what it should be. Like, I wasn't getting into power to like damn near $4 grand, and keeping that spooled up with these grippy ass 275s was just like a battle. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm gonna head to ATP. I want to grab a new center section locks, because the ATP ones or the actual Gary ones are a lot thicker. So I'm gonna run there right now, about an hour drive, come back, clean this thing up. I noticed when I was changing wheels, the axle on that side actually came loose, because it's the side that goes with the torque, so it literally backed the boat off. Whole time I'm driving, the wheels fucking flopping and stuff, and I didn't even peep it until I got ready to change tires. So yeah, man, we definitely was a battle, definitely beat the shit out of this car. But, you know, I'm about to go back through it. I keep telling myself I'm done drifting this car. But I want to take it back out and conquer it. That's like the thing. I'm like stubborn like that. I want to take it back out and conquer it. I just don't feel like this weekend was a very good display of how I feel as a driver, man. Anywho, man, let's hit ATP. Let's go grab the stuff we need, and then we'll be back to clean this thing up and see what everything looks like. I don't feel like driving those sticks. I'm so tired from this weekend, man. We're gonna jump in the Versa. Alright, so y'all can already see these ones are actually hella thicker than the ones that are on there. The ones that are on there right now are thin as shit, so I don't know what that's about, but yeah, these ones are definitely thicker. Just getting home, telling this fool we about to be working today. So got the parts we need. Yeah, you go pee. This fool always in the bathroom. I don't know nobody that be in the bathroom more than this fool. Swear he be in there stroking his little wiener.
That's gay. I don't do those things.
Yeah, you do. Why you in the bathroom so long, man?
I be pooping, man.
Nah, you don't. You be in there. Smack, frap.
I know.
You do. Hurry up. Alright. Let's get this started. I'm gonna show y'all the difference on these two, because this is crazy. Check this out. Dude, do y'all see how thin these are? Hold on. Look, see that side profile on that one? And then look at these. it's like double the thickness. And you can see right here, this is actually bent outward. So that's where we're getting that play from. It's just not compressed all the way. See it? See the gap right there? So yeah, I'm gonna be swapping these real quick. This shouldn't be that bad. I think this is gonna fix the issue, but I wanna get this done first. That way the turbo isn't too hot to be working on. So yeah, let me get this intersection all swapped out. I don't think there's anything wrong with the wheel, just because I don't hear anything when I'm spinning it, and the car didn't lose any power. It was just, I just noticed this, so it looked like it's still actually in the slot right there. But yeah, let's get to work. You ready?
No.
Yes, well, we're working today. You gonna learn today. And something else I just noticed is these right here are 2 bolts each, and on the actual authentic Garrett ones, these are 3 bolts each. So this one's gonna be the one that sucks to get to right there. That's literally gonna be the worst one. I'll probably have to loosen up the whole center section altogether and get it to spin. That way I can get it around the freaking turbo drain. Bruh, comparison. So there y'all go. Yeah, you see the difference in this. Jesus. And there we go, solid. All right, so what I'm about to have you do is pull the side skirt off. Yeah, simple and easy, because it's damn near falling off anyway. You literally have this one bolt holding it on at this point right now.
Try to just pull it off.
Yeah, you go get a screwdriver, you unscrew this, and the whole side skirt is gonna come off.
Okay.
And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So new side skirts are on the way, so these are about to be coming off. I need to pull the front bumper off to get this broken splitter off, because we got new splitter coming. But yeah, look at these side skirts, boy. The runoff at that track is crazy. You go off track, you definitely damaging something. So we decided to order some Stillen polyurethane side skirts for this thing, to hope next time I decide to fly off track or something, I ain't gotta worry about breaking the fiberglass. What I tell you about bending over like that? Why are you spinning it like that? Put the screwdriver in and just do this. That's all you gotta do. There you go. Grab that cell tap, because we don't want it falling inside of a tire.
Where do you want me to put these?
Put them on top of the toolbox.
Damn.
See, you be scratching the paint. Pull it out.
Just pull it out.
Yeah, it's already. Push against the side skirt. That way you take the tension off the bolt. There you go.
Hey.
Take that, all the self taps out that you see on the in the door. We'll need them in there. And then when you're done with that, just wipe all the rocks away that you see right there. All right, here, last screw. Where you going? Side skirt's not off. That last one out. Push your hand against the base of it. No, push against the back of the screwdriver with your palm. No, boy.
You said my palm.
Boy, look.
I'm trying to figure it out.
You can do this with one hand. Like this, just do this. Your hand guides it. Sits on your palm like that and just... You doing this is more work than this, because all you're doing is 2 fingers right here. This bumper off. Actually, I should have left the bumper on so when we wash the car, but I guess we could wash the bumper separately while it's off. Just want to see when I get all this lifted up, check all this stuff up under here.
can't check me. No offhand, that boy was born lefty. Crunch time's about how you move when you tired. But be careful putting fuel on the fire, cause you the one that's gotta live behind decisions you chose. Peaks feel good, but those valleys get low. Chains for the tires in the rain, hail, snow. It's like that everywhere that you go, everywhere that you. A lot of motherfuckers go down, don't come up. Voice in your head, don't shut up. Blew an opportunity, you tried to call back, but she hung up. Anything to try to get the one up, running. It's all independent, the fans backing it. Real love, this ain't for the fame or bandwagon shit. I'm trying.
Alright, there we go. All cleaned up. He washing off the front bumper right now. Literally a few little scratches, and I think this stuff right here will come off. This looks like rubber from the tire, so I'm pretty sure I could buff that out. This right here kind of got some scratching going on, but nothing too major, seeing as how we put it into a tire stack. Respray everything with the new side skirts and stuff gets here. Blend it, get it looking back presentable. It'll look like nothing ever happened. But yeah, now that all the dirt and dust and stuff off of it, car don't look bad, man. Had hella people in the comments like, ah, this 300ZX is totaled, it's fucked up. Like, not at all, man. Alright, so those are all gone. I just need to pull this off real quick. Alright, you can flip it back. Yep, you can set it down. We're about to put it back on the car. Alright, bumper back on. Just got done degreasing this engine bay. Yeah, cut these zip ties. Oh, let me apologize to my neighbors now. It's probably like the worst sound you can hear as a neighbor. It's loud. Alright, so I need to get this side jacked up. Yeah, bring it over here. You're just gonna pour it on this oil leak right here. You're gonna wanna put some messed up shoes on for just because you're gonna have to stomp it in. But surprisingly, as many times as I flew in the dirt and after the wall hit, the alignment is still straight. Well, see the steering wheel's in there. I don't know if y'all can see it through the tints, but steering wheel straight, wheels are straight. Car drove fine. Look at this. The fuser literally got ripped off. That wasn't even from the wall. This is when I went off track and caught like edge of it and just dirt just tore that thing up. But yeah, check this out. This is what I wanted to show y'all. It's also battling this. This is sitting on the cotter pin. It's crazy. Usually these have like a cap that goes over it and the cotter pin slides into, but this doesn't have it. I actually need to go buy that cap. So go step it in, just dig it in. You see how it turns into like, makes like, it clucks up like that? That's all you're gonna do. So let's get this cotter pin out. That way I can tighten this thing up. I don't even know what size this is though. Come on, come on. Jeez. That cotter pin was holding that thing in. Alright, so just have to go buy this freaking socket. 36. Alright, and I'm gonna hit the rest of it by hand. Alright, 300ZX back on the ground. No longer has wheel play, so we're good on that aspect. Now I need to get all this dust and dirt off of here, man. Gotta clean all this stuff off. Your boy flew off track and just obliterated my suede interior. Look at this. Jeez. Alright, so we're pretty much done cleaning this thing up. Interior, everything all cleaned. Throw that back in the back, you know what I'm saying? We keep that in here. Interior clean. About to go test drive it, make sure everything is fine. And then if I have anybody that has a 300ZX and you guys are interested in these side skirts, let me know, man. Somebody can come take them free of charge. I have no need for them, so you know, somebody does fiberglass, this is easy shit to fix. There's no big cracks in them. They're literally just scuffed and scratched up from flying off track. Literally scuffage. You can feel this filler, blah blah blah. But yeah, let me know, man. Somebody can take them. Free 99. Good. Test drive time. Alright, all that's left now is to move the cars back around. We're gonna park the FD back by its friend, the 300ZX. Look, man, sitting here, got another oil leak in my driveway, bro. This shit's gonna get annoying. I don't even think there's nothing underneath leaking. It's literally just residual shit that all got blew out from the freaking catch can being over full. So I definitely got to fix that breather setup. That's literally what all this residual oil is from. Oil pan's clean. There's nothing else leaking. It's literally that.
I'm about to do 80, fuck the niggas hating on. I'm on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's 30